Okay, I forgot to put this one part in. This pops in. And that should be set. Can't believe I forgot that part. But that's a lot tighter now. Hence the reason why I changed all that parts. So we're gonna put it back together, put those bearings in, put that in, those are back in. Go ahead and put our cover back on. Again. Not bad for the first time though. Can't complain. Off a little. Go. I think all my gears fell out. These back together. Got the key. Line those grooves up. Next one is the key. Drop that right in. It sits right on top. And our bearing. It's not sitting in there. A little bit of encouragement. Back to this. Washer, handle. Aim it to the free. Drops right in. Washer again, and then you line this key up. Line this key up. And drop it right in. Okay, everything's locked. Finish it up with these 3 screws. Just gonna snug it. Washer bearing there. That's in. Better bearing spinning good. Okay. My gears are all greased up. So we're gonna jump to this guy. Add a bunch of grease. And this is gonna drop right in. Cleaned it yesterday, so Should be good to go. Got our washer, bearing. There's a square washer in here. And then the cap. It's all greased up. And we should be able to put our handle back on. Just drop that right in. We have our pin. Greased up, drop that in, screw it down. Now in the meanwhile, I'm holding these gears in, so just on a side note. Now it's locked in with the handle. It should be good to go. So before I put that back together on the main reel, just gonna give this a quick wipe down. Oh, way better. Nice and tight. And we'll just go over this real fast. Got our 2-speed drag buttons. Lots of small parts, so you want to be sure you don't lose them. I lost this little spring here twice yesterday. Right there. This is gonna go on there. Oh, skipping a step. Take our wrench after it's hand tight and just make it snug. Has to line up there, so once it lines up, you should be good. Yep, and we're good. Got a little screw. That's gonna be fun to put in there. Take off my glove. Just gonna set it in there for now. This is the tricky part right here. We need to get this spring on this part of the bar and on this black seat right there. See if I can do it. Just gonna sit that in there. Just be careful. Use this. And we're gonna fill. almost had it. There we go. Got it in. And finish it up with this black cover and 2 screws. And that's it. We're gonna get our other half. Say something clean though, cleaner. Got our other half of the reel. And we're gonna aim this onto that. And the gears are gonna try to line up. So here's where we're gonna line it up. This screw has to line up in that hole. That's what we're aiming for. And I'm just gonna rub a little bit of grease in here. Just for good measure. Looks good. Take our gear. And there we go. Finish up, put all your screws in, grease them up. Done deal.